Good morning students. Welcome in this video. In this video, we will be solving our next question. Many students are facing problem in solving this question. So, we will try to first understand the question. Let's read it and divide it into parts and then solve it. The two books contain 1395 and 2232 pages respectively. The books are divided in chapters. Each chapter of the first book has 93 pages and that of the second book has 124 pages. How many more chapters are there in one book than the other? So, the first part says there are two books. First book has 1395 pages. Second book has 2232 pages. So this is the first part of the question. The second part of the question tells us that the book is divided into different chapters. From here to here is the second part. The third part of the question now tells us that each chapter has 93 pages in first book and 124 pages in second book. From here to here will be the third part. The last and the final part is the question itself. The question is asking that how many chapters are more in one book than the other. So this is the last part. So to find how many chapters are there more in one book, we should know total number of chapters in each book. So let's find out total number of chapter in the first book. We'll start solving this question by writing the statement. So our first statement will be total number of pages in first book equal to 1395. The number of pages in one chapter equals 93. For finding total number of chapters, we will divide 1395 by 93. Why we will divide? We divide because all the chapter contain equal number of pages. So here we have to find out number of first book, and after division we come to know that there are 15 chapter in the first book. We will do the same calculation in the second book also. So let's start solving. We'll write the statement. First statement will be total number of pages in second book equal to 2232. Total number of pages in one chapter equal to 124. And we have to find out the number of chapter in second book. So here also we will divide total number of pages by the number of pages in one book. After dividing, we will get 18. So remember students, the question is not over yet. The question has asked us how many more chapters are there in one book than the other. For finding, now we will subtract total number of chapter in one book and total number of chapter in other book. So the difference will be 3 after dividing the number of pages in second book number of chapters in second book and number of chapters in first book. So number of chapters in second book is 18, number of chapters in first book is 15. After subtracting it, we will get 3. So the final answer will be there are 3 chapters more in second book than the first book. Hope you all have understood this. Students, thank you very much.